Welcome once again. Let's talk about Luna. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC coin. Can Terra Classic really make us rich? Because so many people have actually staked their Terra Classic coin, including me myself. I staked my Terra Classic, and I have been hoping for Luna to reach just 1 cent. And already I did the calculation. Okay, this is the amount of money I'm going to make by the time Terra Classic reaches 1 cent. Some have already started calculating $100,000, some are calculating $10,000, some are calculating $1 million, some are calculating over $1 billion. People like Binance founder CZ, because he owns over 1 trillion coins of Terra Classic. So can Terra Classic really make us rich? Wow. The truth is, Terra Classic, to make us rich, it is going to be difficult, but I will say yes. My yes comes in a way that if Terra Classic doubles by 200, 300, 400%, definitely Terra Classic have returned a gain, a profit. You are more richer than what you are. But based on the fact that you were thinking of, okay, I invested $100 and I'm making, let's say, $30,000 with Terra Classic. That's the kind of rich people have in mind. It will be difficult. But having in mind that, okay, I have $100 investment on Terra Classic and I'm cashing out $500, or I'm $500 more richer than what I have, or I am $1,000 more richer than what I have. The truth is, it is very, very possible that Terra Classic can make us that kind of rich, whereby 1,000%. But it might not happen this year, though. We are expecting this towards before the ending, or from next year 2024 to 2025. But if you're thinking about 3,000% to 5,000%, you should be thinking about between 2030. So the answer to me is yes, Terra Classic can make us rich, but it all depends on the time frame. If our time frame is this year, next year, it will only add to our to our capital. It will add to our income. But when we talk about rich, that's making huge profit, then we need over 7 years. Then Terra Classic can make us rich. But there's still the possibility Terra Classic might not even exist then, because right now Terra Classic is really finding it difficult. But I still believe in the long run, you might end up seeing Luna reaching at least 1 cent or 2 cents, even 10 cents in the next few years. Years to come. So there's a possibility, there's a tendency that yes, Terra Classic can make us rich. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Can do your own research. Please kindly like our video, share our video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.